Do you need a lawyer to file a custody case or to get custody? That's what we're going to talk about right now. My name is Robert Buchanan. JointCustodyAdvocates.com is the website. No, you don't need a lawyer to get custody. Actually, the process is very straightforward, and a lot of times you can get it done without a lawyer. All you need to know how to do, and I'm not being facetious here. I'm not being sarcastic. All you need to do is know how to start a case, know how to file a petition for allocation of parental responsibilities, the technical term for custody. You need to know how to determine whether or not you are the legal parent and what you need to do to become the legal parent if you're not the legal parent. You need to know how to file a motion to get into court and how to properly notice the other side. You need to know what to do when you get to court. Usually what you need to do when you get to court, and sometimes the judge will do it themselves. Usually they will because it's mandatory, and that's asked to go to mediation. You'll be referred to mediation. You need to know how to get to mediation and how to participate and concede and compromise in a way that will result in a full agreement. And then you need to get back into court, let the judge know you have a full agreement, and ask that agreement be incorporated into an allocation judgment, and you're done. And you've gotten custody without having a lawyer. But what you haven't gotten is the reassurance that you've crossed all your T's, that you've dotted your I's, that you've done it in the best way possible, and that you've gotten as much as possible. And maybe you don't want that. Maybe you don't need that. Maybe it's not worth the $3,000, $5,000, $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 that it could cost. Or maybe it is. It isn't rocket science to go from, filing a case to going to mediation to getting a parenting plan done to being in court and having it done. That's not difficult to do. What is difficult to do is to know whether or not you're selling yourself short, whether or not you're being taken advantage of, whether or not you could have gotten more, or whether you're doing the process correctly. That's why people get lawyers. So don't get a lawyer because you feel like you can't get this done on your own, because I think you can probably get yourself through the proper steps. But you'll never know unless you do have a lawyer. Some people are real savvy. Some people have a real good feel for things. They know how to Google stuff. They know how to watch videos. They know how to ask other people their experiences. They know how to read judges. And so they don't need a lawyer. They're happy enough doing it on their own. And other people really want the peace of mind, know that an expert's touch, an expert's eye on something is incredibly important. And those are the people that should get lawyers because they're more likely to listen to the lawyer's advice. They're more likely to take the lawyer's advice to heart. They're more likely to learn whatever the lawyer can teach them about the process. So no, the answer is you do not need a lawyer to get custody. There are certain choices, certain determinations, certain things, considerations that you want to make when you do think about hiring a lawyer. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, concerns, suggestions, whatever you want. I'll talk to you soon.